Hello guys, today I'm going to teach you how to change your Gmail account name if you can't change it in Google browser. So let's begin. First open settings. Then find Google option. Now click Manage Account, or if you want your main account to be changed, then don't click Manage Accounts. In this case I'm going to change my other Gmail name account. Click on Personal Info, then you will see your name option. Tap on it and change whatever you want. Then click Save. And it worked guys. If I helped you, then subscribe now and don't forget to like, comment and turn on the bell icon for more tutorials.